Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today what I'm doing is a nighttime clean with me vlog. So we'll just let you know that my house was spotlessly clean. Oh no, but spotless, but like it was clean yesterday, and I'll show you what happens after one day. So typically what I do is after dinner and stuff like that, then I will start to clean. So I'm going to just show you my nighttime cleaning routine, so hope you enjoy. Okay, so here's how it looks when we just like dump everything. Dinner dishes, more dinner dishes, more dinner dishes, just things left out. Kitchen's always the worst, for sure. Where else I'll clean is in the living room if I need to. Not too much in here, just little things to pick up. A few things in here from where the girls kind of just take over. But yeah, so that is our starting palette. So let's start in the main area that needs help, which is the kitchen. I now have also wiped this down. I have this stuff to put away, this stuff to put in the laundry, this stuff that goes upstairs, and I'm continuing to clean. Now I'm going to move on to the dining room. I'm just going to put that away, which goes upstairs with some stuff. That away, clean out the coffee thing for tomorrow, and just put that away. It's done. Now I'm headed to the living room. And it's only taken just a few minutes. Well, since my kids are in here, I'm not going to do a time lapse of it. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to clean up our toy stuff and put it back in our toy closet. This is what hides everything. Clean up the table and also wipe down the table, which is where they do. Now, ignore this. I have got to get shelving, so that's all my closet pretty much. Put up a few things here that have made their way up there. Laundry. Put the pillows back over there and just get some of the toys and trash, and that will be it for the living room. Okay, and the final thing is just kind of clean up the bathroom a little bit. So I'll put this away, these away, kind of clean that up. That one need to get hung up. And then right before I go to bed, after I get cleaned up, I will, actually in the morning after I get ready for work, I'll then just wipe this down, which makes it look so nice. It's crazy how much it already has gotten on it just in this afternoon. So I'm just going to like straighten up the dog bed and stuff like that, and always close this over. So I'll show you how that looks. Okay guys, so I'm all done. Just took a few minutes, maybe 15, maybe 30 max, but I do have to stop quite frequently with the children. But yeah, so I'm all done, and now let me show you how that is. Now obviously it's not perfect. It's mainly a pick up and wipe down, which is great. So now also what I'll do is I'll do a cleaning, what I clean in a week, my typical cleaning week schedule. I know it's not perfect, but this is just what I do. So hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching my video. God bless, be adventurous, and subscribe so you never miss a channel. So now let's take a look at how the house looks after cleaning.